for new iOS 14. Do you want to make the most out of your new iPhone's iOS 14? Many present minimum and simple look in its user interface, but being powered by a best process chip in the market, it comes back with new features for the user. Here are guides on iOS 14 tips and tricks. Get you started. Make you use of your home screen. Apple has completed favor the way its user access the home screen on iOS, leading us to start our list of the best iPhone tips and tricks for iOS 14 with a description of the change on the home screen. Firstly, you can now remove application from the home screen without actually deleting the app itself. Simply hold the application thumbnail and you will see option to remove app from home screen or delete it permanently. In addition to remove application from your home screen, you can also choose the remove the whole page which contains your app, and this will not delete the app but help you your home screen get it free. Access the page removal setting by holding your touch on the home screen. For that, you can click on untick page to be shown on your home. Play with the web. Which have also been confirmed to the live in our iOS 14 tips and tricks. We will show you how to make the most out of them. Firstly, the wheel can be removed anywhere on your home screen page now.